Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve application development with Heroku step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Heroku account if you don't have one. Visit the Heroku website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required information and verify your email to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Heroku dashboard. Click on the New button to create a new app. Enter a unique name for your application in the designated field. Select the region that is closest to your target audience. Next, choose the programming language you will be using for your application. Follow the prompts to create the app and be directed to the app's dashboard. From the app dashboard, click on the Deploy tab. Choose your preferred deployment method, such as GitHub or Heroku. If you select GitHub, connect your account and search for your repository. For Heroku, follow the instructions to initialize your repo and add Heroku as a Git remote. Once connected, configure the deployment process by selecting the branch to deploy. Click on the Deploy Branch button to initiate the deployment. Monitor the deployment logs to ensure your application is successfully built. After deployment, access your application using the provided URL. To improve application performance, explore the Resources tab. Here, you can scale your dynos according to your needs. Consider adding add-ons for additional features like databases or monitoring tools. To manage environment variables, navigate to the Settings tab. Click on Reveal config vars and add any necessary variables for your app. Test your application thoroughly on the deployed platform. Make any adjustments needed to improve functionality and performance. Once satisfied with the performance, continue iterating and deploying updates. Utilize Heroku's built-in analytics tools for monitoring application performance over time. Engage with the Heroku community and documentation for best practices in troubleshooting. Regularly back up your application data and configurations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.